We hear from you guys all the time asking, can we get MakerPipe locally? Is there somewhere I can get my hands on the product and take a look at what it's all about? And for the past 10 years of us selling direct and starting the company, that hasn't been the case, right? We've sold direct that whole time, which I'm grateful for because it's how we got started, right? And how MakerPipe is a thing. But I'm really excited to announce that we're gonna have MakerPipe 6 different products carried in Do It Best and True Value hardware stores across the country. So the answer is, can you find it locally? Yeah, you can go put your hands on it. If you need it for a project that day, you can go pick some up. If you forget another T connector, right, and you need one that day, you can go find it. And what we've done is we've been working on this for a year, and we partnered with True Value, Do It Best, and the first wave of stores across the country are carrying the product, which we're just super excited about. It's a dream come true. And what I think is really exciting about this is these are local business owners. These True Values, these Do It Best, they have husband and wife teams, they have local entrepreneurs that own these stores, run these stores, and it really fits well with how we want to do business, right? Like what happens when you go into a hardware store? Somebody asks you, hey, what are you working on? What's your project? Which is just perfect for how MakerPipe and how we do things. I mean, we try to do that virtually, right? But having somebody that knows the product, is in your local hardware store, they ask, what are you doing today? I mean, that's awesome, right? And I love that fact, and also supporting small businesses, because it seems like more and more these days, you can't put your hands on something, you gotta order it maybe, it's really important that you guys will be able to go in the stores, get MakerPipe, and then actually, take it out of the package, put it together, see if it fits the way you want it to, and that if it's gonna work for your project. And I think that's really important. So it's starting with 6 connectors. For 3/4 inch EMT conduit, we'll have the T connector, 90, 180, 45, coupling, and end caps. And that's a really good start that you can find locally. And these are the same connectors, our normal connectors, made in the USA, made here in our shop in South Carolina. So the same quality products that you would get direct from us. And it goes for our support too. We're fully supporting these stores. We really want to see this succeed and these stores be successful with our products. So we definitely appreciate the support. The way you can find if a store near you carries this, and again, it's the first wave, so there'll be more stores, but go on our website, take a look at the store locator. We've created a page where you can see all the stores, find one close to you, and then you can go in and get MakerPipe. If it doesn't have one close to you, you got 2 options. You can definitely order it through the Do It Best website and have it shipped to your local store. So that's a great way. If you have a specific order, you want to pick it up in person, you can do that. Or just go in and say, hey, I like MakerPipe, check out this product, which we've had and we're very thankful for. A lot of people do that. But that's an option too, and we really would appreciate that. We hope this improves your experience building with MakerPipe. Our goal is definitely to help you build your project, and we think this is a really important step. If you need to put your hands on it, make sure it's right, or get one today, this is an option for you. And as always, not only are these stores here for you, but we're here for you, so just let us know what you need. Thanks everybody, we'll see you in the next one.